Oh, you haven't subscribed? Well, make sure you do so I can put some warm, wet, delicious barbecue right in your... He was just joking. Ah, it's winter time. Have you wanted to buy an offset smoker and you're like, they get so rusty though and it's just bare metal? I was watching Mad Scientist BBQ. I saw a video. It was how to get rid of the rust on the firebox of his offset smoker. It almost looked too good to be true. Like all he did was put canola oil on it, made a fire in it, and through the magical process of polymerization, it was black and beautiful again. So I'm going to try that out. I got this Oklahoma Joe used, and I can't wait to see if it's going to work. All I'm going to do is spray canola oil on it and make a fire just like he did. Let's inspect the condition. Used Oklahoma Joe goodness. You know, when it's a good deal, how can you go wrong? And these smokers are available pretty much everywhere. True fact, they're built in China, apparently. There you go. This is what I was talking about. I've got some corrosion going down. See the paint's flaking off right over there? So here we go. Let's try it out. For the sake of saving time, I'm just going to get these coals started. Then I'm going to slap all those coals in the firebox and put some wood on top of the coals to get a fire going. Then all I have to do apparently is spray some of this canola oil all over the firebox and mine will look just as pretty as his did. And side note, if you have a cheap Oklahoma Joe like this, you probably shouldn't be starting your coals on top of the firebox just like this. I saw Chud's Barbecue doing it, but he's got a really nice smoker and, well, this is not that smoker. It's kind of part of the experiment though. I want to try to mess up the paint even more and then see if the canola oil can just fix everything, you know? Ooh, nice and warm in these cold times. Now we have a fire. Let's close it up and start seasoning. This is probably going to leave a nice oil stain on the driveway, so if I'm smart, I'm going to get some cardboard. Ooh, oil is flammable. Right, look at this. It is shiny, it is coated. It smells like a cheap restaurant in here that burnt the grease. But that's kind of what I'm going for, I guess. All right, so really all I got to do is let this greasy can burn, and it should be perfect in the end. All fixed up. I wonder if it's going to fix it. Oh, hey, you taking care of your smoker there, bud? Well, there you go, guys. Fixed is fixed. Mad Scientist BBQ, Jeremy Yoder was right. All you need to do is start a fire, spray this whole thing down with canola oil. You got yourself some rust solved. Look at this back here. This patch was all flaking off. No more paint. The oil just fixed it. Good as new. What a beauty. I'm happy I did this in the cold weather because whatever didn't really get through, it's just going to get cold and cake itself on. But did you subscribe? What's the matter? You don't like barbecue? Who are you? If you guys like this little smoker, check out my videos with my big smoker. This one has just been stuck in the garage for the whole summer because I've been doing cooks on the big one, but I thought it might be fun to show you how to save the rust on it. Maybe in my next video, I'll finally smoke a pineapple because somebody in the comments has been harassing me about it.